Come on, guys! You guys, this place is insane. Like, how? Claire did her big one, for real. It's giving retreat. Okay guys, this is my bed. Claire gave us toothbrushes, a little notebook. But why is my name on the toothbrush? Why is my name on the toothbrush? And oh my gosh. Love this. And this is the shower. It's an outside shower. Oh.
No, you're kidding?
That's cute.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's outside.
Yo.
That's very cute.
So cute. Sense. Okay, I don't. Huge thing in the middle. Yeah. Okay.
How are you?
Bring spoon, hallelujah.
Chop.
We should draw code.
Oh yeah. Just be yoga.
I need to be.
Yeah. I see your iPhone.
To do their hot yoga class.
I have a hot yoga on my list of things. It's the sweating part that I don't like.
Sweat. My thing is that I signed up for Koi Power and I didn't realize it was hot yoga. And then I went there and I was like, why is this room so hot? But in like 10 minutes, the way I was dripping this sweat, I was sweating.
It's that part that like gets me.
It's actually fun, but it's just like it's too hot.
Your palms down to upward facing dog.
Centipede.
And sit back into the sit. This is called speed pose. Reach your arms out again. Roll yourself forward. Come up to plank. Right foot steps in between your hands. The parking entrance to go on that corner, not the corner next to the.
Okay, like I showed you guys my bikinis, I'm going to layer them and I'm going to put them on right now. So give me a second. There's literally ants all over this area, but I need to get dressed. Okay guys, this is the bikini. I layered the two of them, pink and red. Now I'm going to do my makeup. Okay, today we're going to Monterico. We're going into the town. The beach is there. That's why we're all dressed so beachy. This is Nina. And this is the birthday girl, period. But today should be fun.
Guys, we bought all these produce. Guess how much it cost? $7. That's all I got.
The US could never.
water.
You know, from nation to nation, everything is similar. Culture transcends borders.
Alright guys, so it's technically day 3 of the trip. I just got ready for the day, wearing this butter yellow off the shoulder, some capris, and I'm probably just gonna wear a flip-flop for the rest of the day. I don't think I'm gonna do my makeup today just because it's like really hot. It's really hot. But I'm just gonna do my edges. Yesterday in the Monterrico town was so fun. We walked around. There were so many like dogs, like just free walking dogs, and it seems very normal here, which I love because they were so cute. In the evening when we came back, we had like a little mini Olympics, and you guys, my team won. I don't know if I have any clips from that. I may have to ask people for videos, but it was so much fun. I did go to bed early. I went to bed at like 10:30, maybe it was 11. Like people stay up to like chat and stuff, but I realized I just forget that like when I'm very social throughout the day, like my battery drains so quick. I literally came to my room. Well, I'm sharing a room with 2 of my friends, but literally came and I laid down in my bed, like watched TikToks for a little bit and fell asleep. I want to watch the sunrise this morning, but I was so tired, and our room was cold. And you know when a room is cold, it's like the perfect environment to sleep in. Today we have a cook-off. We're in teams and we're going to be making different dishes based on the kitchen equipment we were given. So people were given grill, stove, oven. I'm on oven. We are making we're making boli and roasted vegetables. So yeah, it'll be fun. The rest of the day, I think we're going on a mangrove tour. We're also going to do some more reflection today, so stay tuned and you guys probably see some of that. Okay, so we just finished. We've been by the pool all day, and we did some like reflection time, and we're supposed to go to mangroves at 4:30. Me thinking like, oh, there's time to like do my makeup, get ready. There's no time for anything. Like I was saying before, we're going to the mangroves now. It's 4 supposedly, but nobody's ready, so when we're going to go see the mangroves.
Abuse on camera, you can see evidence.
Now we're just waiting. The boys are grilling our dinner.
Do you know what they're making?
Burgers and sausage. We're going to eat and then we have one last reflection session. So why are you using a blow dryer to light the grill? Okay.
Classic.
Almost.
Oh, you know what? Actually, you got it. Okay. Yeah. So my hands are charcoal. Yes.
We just got dressed for the future you part, and this is what I'm wearing. This dress because I'm channeling relaxed success. So
Okay, we're also about to have dinner together, all of us, and I made the bully. It looks good. Yes.
Good morning, guys. It's like 6:30.
No, it's not. 6 a.m.
It's 6 a.m. and we're going to watch the sunrise.
Yesterday we went to the beach.
You went to? Yes. That's crazy. God is amazing, guys. Wow. Though, but I come from Lagos, so I can't even talk.
We're out there. Okay, I do have one question on that before I need to change the Wow, we should look at our windows. We made it to Antigua and our Airbnb is so cute. I'm going to show you the view from the living room.
Oh my goodness, guys, like, look at this.
You guys see, there's literally a volcano and it's smoking right now. That one right there. Such a pretty view, and there's another one that is inactive. Oh, gorgeous. At this point, it's been a few weeks since I got back from the trip. It's been like 3 weeks at this point. I didn't want to just end the vlog on a random note. I do want to give a really big shout out to Claire. Of course, she was the birthday girl, but this trip was so well thought out. It was so intentional, from the activities we did to the reflection sessions, and I would say this is one of the best trips I've ever been on, if not the best. And yeah, I'm just grateful that she gave me the opportunity to come and have a good time and relax. We literally left right before the big snowstorm hit on that weekend in January. Not experiencing the snowstorm was a blessing, I'm not gonna lie. All I've been doing since I've been back is like fighting for my life outside. So grateful that I got to go on this trip, and maybe there's more trips to come. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.